what you have now. Don't count what you don't have. Count what you have now. Don't count what you don't have. Find that you have so much.
What's up, everybody? We're out here supporting local. And today we're gonna check out Foodland Farms. Let's go. Put this.
Huh?
We're gonna put this.
Yeah. What am I doing? Strap him in the baby seat. Nah.
In my safety seat. Oh.
Here we are.
Episode 2. We went to Foodland Farms today, and we got many items. What are we making today, Uncle Pizza?
Okay, so we have some scallops. We have some salmon, and that's just to eat. Foodland special was fried chicken. I think they always have that special. It's chicken thighs, 10 chicken thighs for 16 bucks. So we're gonna do some fried chicken. We're gonna spice it up. We're gonna make Korean fried chicken.
Ooh.
You know, pretty cheap to do. We also have cauliflower, head of cauliflower. Cauliflower was on sale today. I think this was like $3. We're gonna make a cauliflower rice. And then we also have dessert. Russell picked out a dragonfruit for us to eat. And strawberries are on sale. I think it was like $5. So we're gonna call in Auntie Pasta to help us make our dessert. I'm gonna show you the ingredients that we're gonna use to make our Korean fried chicken. I'll show you, always the best. Got a pro tip for you. This one is called lower salt, right? But you can buy the regular one and then just cut it with water because it's like the same thing, it's lower salt. Pro tip.
Yeah, but if you're Filipino like ourselves, we do love sodium.
Yeah. Then we use a little bit of mirin.
What is mirin anyway?
Mirin is it's like sake, right? But
Is it sweet?
it's a little sweet. Yeah, it has some sugar. It's rice vinegar, right? Rice wine vinegar. Yeah, it's delicious.
Back in the day when I used to cook for my ex, I would use mirin for beef broccoli. So,
Beef broccoli.
yeah.
We gotta make beef broccoli.
You think so?
Yeah, and then here's an old ancient Chinese secret, right? MSG.
You show on this camera too.
Not bay leaf.
And yeah, I can
Not
see
bay
it.
leaf,
Yeah.
but MSG. And then we have sesame seed oil, and Russell's gonna show us how to open it the proper way.
If you're having trouble in pouring sesame oil without spilling, there is a secret technique. I'm not sure if it's so secret, but I'll show you later in the video.
We're gonna add a little bit of chili oil to it as well, just for a little bit of a spice. Yeah, so those are the ingredients, and then of course fresh garlic and old ginger.
Don't worry, I'm a food safety manager, and none of this food is contaminated.
Forgot one, guys. Sesame seeds. This is good. Garlic is almost always to taste, right? Like if you don't like that much garlic, then you're evil. But if you like garlic, then put more. You know.
Right.
So this is a good I don't know.
It's a handful.
9-10 cloves of garlic, maybe. Yeah, and then we'll save some for the cauliflower rice.
Check if it's recording. Yep. Alright, move this aside. Oh, we got a shred.
Okay, now you're gonna do the ginger. Booey! Perfect, dude.
Okay. More?
Right in here.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Do the yeah. I forgot one quintessential ingredient. Brown sugar. Brown sugar I use because it's sweeter than white sugar.
Because of the kind
Doesn't have to be exact too, just portions. Chest.
Tashi Luo Tolu Fa.
Then we're gonna do a little bit goes a long way when it comes to sesame seed oil. The flavor is pretty strong. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon sesame seed oil, and then we're gonna do then we're gonna do half a tablespoon of chili oil.
Yeah, so funny story is you can just, if you guys didn't know, you can pull this lever up to prevent from spilling. How many?
1.
This one, okay.
And then half one of the chili oil.
Chili oil. Dude, I fucked up one time. I bought this instead of regular sesame oil.
Oh, half, yeah.
Half.
Half a tablespoon.
Oh shit.
It's okay. It's okay. I pour.
It's cut.
Be exact.
No, but yeah, I was using this instead of regular sesame oil, and that shit was spicy. Yeah, it gets pretty hot, man.
Okay, we're gonna do some MSG. MSG to flavor. You don't want to use too much because it's already salty, but the MSG really is gonna help with the umami.
Umami.
Flavor. It's good. Okay. Go ahead and stir it up, little darling. All right. You give him a look.
Oh, I'll give him a little whiff of that. Ooh.
Alright. So you probably need a little bit more. Nah, probably not. I think we're good.
In it, fam.
In it.
I'm gonna have another beer.
So the secret to fried chicken, from what everybody says, is that you want it twice fried, right? Twice fried fried chicken comes out the crispiest, the best.
Whoa.
When you fry it the first time, you just kind of cooking it a little bit, you know. You're getting the crust on there. Then you let it sit for a little bit. Then you refry it again, and it's like.
And where did you learn? Where did you get this technique from, huh?
Other cooks. Personal experience.
There it is.
You know, you buy fried chicken, and then the next day you come back and I want to heat it up. Dude, put it in the air fryer or just fry it again, bro. Sometimes it tastes better. Second time. So, fried chicken, just throw it right in there. And if you find that the coating, like it doesn't coat all of the pieces, just make another little quarter batch of what you made, your sauce, and then just pour some more on it. Okay.
Alright, I want to see if actually can. Sorry, if I can zoom in and see it from there. Thumbnail, yeah.
Oh, that's perfect. Oh, this piece didn't get covered very much. Yeah, just make sure all your pieces are getting coated. It's a little hard. Okay, now we're gonna put this aside. Depending on how you like your cauliflower rice, I like it really tiny.
Like it fine?
I like it fine. So you can use either the
Oh,
little
nine
holes
so fine.
or the little holes.
Oh, damn.
I would not recommend the big holes. Because the next step, we're gonna squeeze out all the water, like wring out all the water. And if you grate it and it's too big, you're gonna have a hard time squeezing out water. Then when you go to cook it, it's gonna be mushy.
Okay, you don't.
I
The
don't. The reason for squeezing out the water is to make it not mushy.
Okay.
So make life easier, and we're just gonna grate on this little.
Okay, bet.
It's gonna be pretty messy, but it's okay.
You know this right here reminds me of like grinding up pumpkin. You ever have to make okra? Not okra, but I think that's what's called in the Filipino dish. The fried pumpkin, the fried.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, be careful.
No, I'm good.
Here, do the big one. If it gets too small.
Yeah. Move on.
You can put this down the rest of, and then it catches it inside.
A few moments later.
Yo, that's a cauliflower beat right there.
Okay.
Good.
Should be good. You don't want to get it too fine, or else it's gonna be mush. All right. So this next step, we're gonna wring it out, right? Because we don't want cauliflower has a lot of water.
Oh,
The water content is really high in cauliflower.
I mean, this can get hydrated, right?
So this is what we got. This is our cauliflower. Cheesecloth is like just like a little cloth cooking that you can use to like cook with, right?
Let's put that bad boy in there. Oh yeah.
Just do it in batches. Squeeze out as much water as you can. Doesn't have to be all of it, but a lot of it.
Which one? All of it or a lot? Just kidding.
Whole lot of all of it.
In it, bruv.
In it. In it to win it.
I'm pretty sure I'm so strong I got all the water out of this content.
Garlic is starting to brown a little bit. Just go ahead and throw in your cauliflower rice.
Oh, yeah.
Try and break up the clumps if you can. So that everything cooks nice and evenly. You can cook it in batches. Today, we are not.
Yes.
Once you throw it in the pan, you can start to season. It's just some garlic powder. Be generous. Some onion powder. This. Some more of my best friend.
What is that? What's your best friend?
Madison Square Garden. MSG.
Shout out to New York. Yard.
Do some, just a little bit of salt. Remember, MSG is like 70% salt, so 30% love. Some fresh cracked pepper. I like a lot of pepper, and Russell doesn't like burnt pepper.
I don't like burnt pepper, but I do like pepper, but not burnt pepper.
Flowers in the oven. We're gonna throw in our chicken that's been marinating for about an hour. Doesn't have to be that long. Just a little bit. You can even just coat it and throw it right in. We're gonna throw it in our air fryer. Make sure it's coated real good. Okay, so we're gonna put it on 400. The highest this one goes is 400. And let's do 10 minutes. Actually, maybe less than that. Let's do 8 minutes, and we'll check it. Let's get this finished. All right. Simple. It doesn't have a lot of strong flavor, but that's why I made it. It's because it's rice. It's supposed to be a rice substitute. And your rice isn't the main dish, you know. So it doesn't have a strong flavor, but it's delicious. Yeah. The Ichigo beer. Let me pour it for you. Let me pour it for you. That's actually a lot. Pour it fast on the head. Pour it like let it splash for the head. There you go. So even. Like this. Yeah, to pour it fast. Yeah. If it's not sudsing. So we have level 1, Squirtle. We have level 2, Ortotol. And we have level 3, the Blastoise.
This one is called a Macedonia di frutta, or it's an Italian dish that is made traditionally in the summers. And we're doing it with strawberries today. Strawberries is one of the favorite ways to do it, but I've seen my nonna do it with kiwis and peaches and any kind of summer fruit that you can get. And you basically just chop it up and put it with lemon and sugar, and then you're going to refrigerate it for a few hours.
Sugar, you say?
Yes, an obscene amount of sugar.
Oh,
like
yes.
way more sugar than you think should go in it is going to go in it. And then when you put it in the refrigerator for an extended period of time, the fruit becomes softer with the lemon juice. And it's really nice to put over gelato or ice cream, right? Or cakes. I think a lot of people in the United States like doing something like this with angel food cake and ice cream.
Oh, right.
Yes.
So it's a pretty simple dessert then, right?
It's very simple, and the longer you put it in the refrigerator, the yummier it becomes.
And our sesame seeds. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my.
All right. Our budget Korean fried chicken.
It's complete.
Alright, let's go. Show me.
Oh yeah. Cooking with Uncle Pizza and Auntie Pasta.
Oh yeah.
Episode 2, let's grind. You think I should change the name?